this part is good. Are we too or young for this? Okay, I was saying all for this. Getting old, nah. Lyrics also I don't remember. Very bad at remembering lyrics. Okay. It's a good song. The name of the song is I think it's softcore. I think it's softcore, sung by The Neighborhood. Alright, that'll do. Okay, so thank you all for joining in and for tuning in to learn from me. So hello my dear students, my name is Benatang Paton and I welcome you to this channel, Classroom, okay, where we learn together, okay, where we learn together, okay. So I'm here to teach you, and I will impart whatever I know, okay. I'll teach you whatever I know. So I am not the best teacher around also, but I am also a teacher, so I want to help out students who come to me, who seek me for help. So in a way, okay, I open this channel so that I can help out students in need, okay, who needs help. And like I said, I'm not the best, but then I'm also trying if I can help some students, okay, maybe, okay, 1 or 2, but then I just want to help out. So I thank you once again for tuning in and for watching and learning from me, okay. God bless you all, okay. So now with this positive note, let us start our class. So this is a continuation of yesterday's class only. In yesterday's class, we have discussed NaCl and MgCl2. In today's class, I'll discuss 3 more, okay. These things are extras actually, okay. So this is extra. If you already know, let it be a classwork for you. So take out your notebook, grab a pen or a pencil and do it, okay. I've already written the question here. It's calcium oxide. Just do it, okay. Pause the video here, pause it now, and those who know, you do it, okay. And then just check whether you're doing correctly or not. So you can start. Pause the video now, those who know how to do this, and solve it, and then rewind the video now and do it, okay. So the format is same. There will be 3 steps: step 1, step 2, step 3. So this is calcium oxide, okay. The name of this compound is calcium oxide. So these are all ionic compounds. What are ionic compounds? Revision: ionic compounds are compounds formed by exchange of, or formed by transfer of electrons. Better say transfer of electrons, because the metal transfers the electron, okay, and a non-metal receives the electron. So bonds formed by transfer of electrons are called as ionic compounds, okay. And the bonding is called ionic bonding, okay. The strongest bonding in this world, okay, ionic bonding. So calcium oxide, step 1, okay. I'll try to go fast, okay. I'll not go into detail because I'll not explain every step, okay. I'll just go fast so that it will be quick for you also, because I believe by now, if you have watched the previous video, you know how to do it because you are smart, okay. So step 1, what we do, we write the metal, which is calcium. So write the metal here, calcium. Calcium का atomic number कितना है? What is the atomic number of calcium? Anybody tell me the atomic number of calcium? 20, isn't it? It's 20. So 20. So what you will do, you will write the EC of calcium here, which is 2,8,8,2. Alright, then don't forget to draw this arrow, and then you will write the stable calcium here. Remember, this calcium is not stable because of this electron in the outermost shell, 2. Though is not stable, 2 is not stable, though stable nahi hai, okay. So the stable calcium will be, okay, will be this, okay, without this 2. So our stable calcium is 2,8,8, okay. Then the 2 electrons, it will donate. So these are electrons, they carry negative charge. Our calcium here will carry 2 plus. Why 2 plus? Because it's letting go of 2 electrons. So the same thing again, okay, let me show you again. So calcium here proton number in calcium is 20 plus. Similarly, electron in electron is also 20 minus, but 2 electron will be donated, so the number will decrease. From 20 it will become now 18. So plus charge is more. Okay, so there are 2 extra plus charge. Okay, at this number 18 and 20 we'll find 2 extra plus charge. So this is the calcium ion. This is the calcium ion. Remember, this is the calcium ion. This is calcium ion. This is calcium ion. Okay, ions are charged particles. Okay, I've already explained this in the previous video. Okay, then step 1 is done. Step 2, we write the non-metal, which is oxygen. Oxygen ka EC you write 2 comma how much? What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8. You arrange it. How is it? 2. First shell will take 2. Second shell will get how much? Only from 8 2 is gone, so remaining 6. So 2 comma 6. Stable or not? Not stable. This is the second shell. To be stable in the second shell, the number should be how much? How much? Yes, 8. So it should be 8. Okay, so this is not stable. But you know the drill. The stable oxygen will be written here. So the stable oxygen will be 2 comma 8. So now you tell me, how did 6 become 8? How did 6 become 8? 6 became 8 by receiving these 2 electrons. So 6 electron plus 2 electron, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, so oxygen receives the 2 electron and then becomes stable. But our oxygen has received 2 extra electrons, so 2 minus. Yes or no? Okay, so done. Now step 3. Step 3 is dot structures. Now I will not write dot structures because you already know what dot structures are. If there is any student who is watching this video, okay, I will sincerely request you to go one video back, okay, and watch from there first. Okay, you will learn so much. I think it's about 37 or 40. It's around 40 minutes video is there. Okay, but it's worth your time. So watch from there. Okay, you will learn. So there I have written so many in detail, but like I said, today though quickly we'll do this one. So I'll not write anything. I'll just directly go to the step. Step 3. Dot structure. So we'll first write the metal calcium. For calcium I'll use dots. So how many dots will I write? 2. So draw 2 dots. Today I'll use this position and this position. Plus next is oxygen. Oxygen I'll use cross. How many cross? 6 cross. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one calcium ion electron will come here. The other calcium electron will come here. Arrow, and then calcium is here. Okay, calcium. 2 electrons donated will get 2 plus, and then oxygen here. Okay, oxygen here. This oxygen will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then these 2 extra electron here. Okay, we can always put a box here also. Okay, and it receives 2 negative. Okay, so these 2 and these 2 can go. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so this is calcium oxide. You have just shown how calcium oxide has been formed. How much mark does it come for? It comes for 3 marks. So easily you will score 3 marks. Okay, so these are all 3 mark questions. Okay, formation of ionic compounds, they're all 3 mark questions. Okay, clear? We'll go to the next one. So the next one is formation of, oh, it's already morning. You know what is the time by my watch right now? At what time am I recording this video? You know, I'm recording this video at 1:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so the cock is crowing. Okay, so now let's do for CaCl2. Okay, so let me wish you a good morning. Should I wish you a good morning? Okay, you are probably watching this. I don't know at what time you're watching, but then if to anyone who is watching my video, let me wish you good morning. Okay, because it's already morning. Okay, now let's do for calcium chloride. This is calcium chloride. Okay, class, calcium chloride. When I was a kid, I was afraid to stay awake for these hours, but now being an adult, being a grown-up, Okay, we are not scared of the darkness anymore. Okay, so CaCl2. So step 1. Okay, so step 1, same thing. Okay, you know the drill. So write the calcium atomic number is 20. So 20 you arrange 2, 8, 8, 2. Okay, now what do you write here? You write the stable calcium. Stable calcium is the calcium which has donated this 2 electron, so it will be 2, 8, 8 plus calcium loses 2 electron to E. Okay, by losing 2 electron gains 2 positive extra charge. Yes. Okay, then step 2 is the non-metal, which is chlorine. Okay, chlorine atomic number 17. Arrange this one, it will be 2, 8, 7. Okay, then here we know we only write the stable chlorine. So stable chlorine outermost electron 7. Okay, so this will run for 8, so needs 1 electron. So let's give him 1 electron. So 2, 8, 8. This is the stable chlorine. Okay, so how many electrons did he receive? 1. So we'll write 1 minus. Okay, but wait, calcium is donating 2 electron. Calcium is donating 2 electron. Chlorine will only take 1. So what's gonna happen? So what will calcium do? Calcium will tell chlorine to bring another chlorine atom. Okay, or else calcium will say, I'll not give it to you. Now chlorine needs the electron, so chlorine will say, okay, I'll call one of my own kind. So chlorine calls another one of its own kind. So another chlorine will come in the discussion. So 2, 8, 7. If this is confusing, why I'm writing 2 chlorine? Simple step. Look at the formula once. Okay, just look at the formula. 2 chlorines are here. 2 chlorine are here. Okay, so simply, okay, minimize the confusion. Just draw 2 chlorines, because in the formula itself, because this question will be given to you now, so 2 is there now, so just draw 2. Okay, I'm just telling you in form of a story. Okay, in the form of a story, calcium is donating 2 electron. Chlorine, I am chlorine, I can only take 1. So calcium is giving 2. If I take only 1, where will the other electron donated by chlorine calcium go? So what I will do is I'll bring another one of me. So there will be 2 chlorine receiving 2 electrons which are donated by calcium. Okay, that way I get to form a bond with calcium. Okay, so calcium donates 2, so and chlorine can only receive 1, so chlorine will call another one of its own kind, and then there will be 2 chlorine. Okay, so plus 1 give it to him, another one, this will take it. So altogether 2 electrons utilize, okay, with the help of 2 chlorines. And then ये भी हो गया stable 2, 8, 8. Yes or no? Okay, now step 3, dot structures. Step 3, so ये भी minus, because receiving 1 electron which will make it further more negative now. Step 3, dot structure. You will draw for calcium first. So calcium ka you will draw 2 dots. So draw 2 dots, one here, another here. Okay, this time for a change, let's use cross, because some of you may think that, okay, some of you may want me to use cross. So this time I'll let your dreams come true. So I'll let your wish come true, not your dreams, sorry, your wish. Okay, I can only make your wish come true, not your dreams. Okay, the one who has power to let your dream come true is you yourself, not me. I cannot make your dreams come true. Maybe I can make your wish come true. Okay, wishes are easier to fulfill, but dreams are personal. So dreams, though, you have to make it. You have to achieve it. Nobody can achieve it for you. All right. So wishes, maybe if you tell me, maybe I can. Okay, but dreams, though, I can't help you. Okay, so work hard for your dreams. Nobody else can help you achieve your dream except you yourself. So believe in yourself and work for it. Okay, this is like more of a motivational class and not science class. Okay, but then Motivation and education, okay, should go together. And plus they rhyme also, isn't it? Motivation, education, okay. So Ca, Ca calcium 2 electron plus Cl non-metal chlorine. So since I have used cross for calcium, I'll be using dots now. So let's use dots. So I'll occupy these two position, I'll occupy these two position, I'll occupy these two position, and I'll occupy, well, I get to occupy one here. So one spot is empty here, nah? Remember? Okay, if there are students who are joining today only, they'll be confused like, okay, is there a way to draw these dots? The answer is yes. There are specific slots, 2 available in top, on the right side 2, at the bottom 2, at the left 2. To learn this, I'll recommend you to go to the previous video. There you will learn everything in detail. So please go and visit the previous video once before you watch this video, okay, for better understanding. So what will happen? Well, 1, but there are 2 chlorines now. We have to draw 2 chlorine though. So 2 chlorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. एक यहाँ जाएगा, दूसरा it will go here. One goes here, the other goes here. Now arrow, and then calcium already donated 2 electron, 2 plus, okay. Chlorine, okay, chlorine I'll use the other method, okay, not that not the 3 style, the second one. So Cl, so ये वाला हो गया, ये हो गया, this one that donated its own original, put a bracket, and then there are 2, isn't it? So just write 2 here, okay, and then each chlorine receive 1. That's it, okay. So this is the stable chlorine. This is the formation of CaCl2, okay. Then one more example again we'll do for what did I do? I think we'll do for lithium chloride. So let's do for lithium chloride, LiCl, okay, LiCl. So LiCl, step 1, step 2, I'm going to erase those things. So now we will do the last one, which is LiCl, okay. Let's do for LiCl. So step 1 for LiCl. First write the metal Li. Now the metal here is lithium. This is the metal Li. This is the metal. Lithium is the metal, and this is the non-metal. The name of this compound is called lithium chloride. This is called lithium chloride, okay. So Li, okay, Li is here. Alright, the EC of lithium. So atomic number of lithium, I need to know the atomic number of lithium. So hydrogen, helium, lithium, 3. Atomic number is 3. So 3, arrange this 3. So first shell 2, second shell 1. Alright, then draw the arrow, and here you will write the stable form of lithium. So stable form of lithium will be this one, okay. Lithium is a metal. Metals lose electrons, so our lithium has to lose electron. So which electron will he lose? This one, okay, this one. This is not stable, no? Here, this is the second shell. To be stable here, it needs to have 8. With 1 electron, he cannot achieve 8, okay, so he will donate this. So this is the stable lithium, okay. After donating 1, that donated electron is here, so gets 1 plus charge, okay. Then step 2, Cl, our Cl, atomic number 17. See, chlorine is a very common metal, okay, for ionic compound. So chlorine is used a lot. So chlorine 17, so 2, 8, 7, okay. Then here you will write the stable chlorine. The stable chlorine will have number 8 here, because this 7 will receive this 1 electron. So this 1 electron will come here, so plus this electron, so 7 plus 8, okay. 7 plus 8 becomes 8. So 2 comma, sorry, what 7 plus 8? 7 plus 1 becomes 8, okay? So 2 comma 8 comma 8. Yes or no? Alright. Now, after that, done. Now we'll have to draw the dot structure. So draw the dot structure, okay? Pause the video and draw the dot structure, and after that you play the video and check. So those who can draw the dot structure, pause the video and draw the dot structures now, okay? So dot structure, you will draw dot structure for the outermost shell electron only. So lithium, you will write as, I'll use X, okay? Then for chlorine, I'll use dot. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay? So this will go here, and then you will get Li plus, and then Cl. This X from lithium is here. Original electrons of chlorine are here. All right. So this is lithium chloride, okay? LiCl. So this is it, okay? This is the formation, okay? The proper formation for LiCl. Don't forget this minus, because it's receiving, minus, I always forget this, okay? So minus because it's receiving 1 electron, so the number of electrons increases, whereas the proton number remains same, okay? So this is it, okay class? So I have one question for you. So let me just see, I forgot the question also. Let me just check. I think I have it here. So the question is here. You kindly give me the answer in the comment box. So let me write the question for you. Where did I keep it? Okay, it's here. All right. Yes. So the question is this: the atomic number of an element is of an element y is 17. The number of electrons in its ion Y minus will be, the options are A, B, C, D. A 17, B 18, C 19, and D 20. So class, give me the correct answer in the comment box. Okay, so please comment the correct answer. Okay, think for a while. Don't just rush in to give the answer. I assure you, if you pay attention to this minus, you will get the answer. So think about the question, analyze the question, and the answer is one of them. So with this, I'll end the video class. So once again, thank you, my dear students, for tuning in and watching. Okay. And then in the next video, I'll be discussing about the properties of ionic compounds, and likewise the topics one by one. Okay, I'll cover each. So those who are skeptic, like whether sir will cover all the topics, I assure you I will cover all the topics. Okay, so don't worry, all the topics will be covered. Every chapter will be covered by me, including biology also. So I'll be covering every chapter. Okay, so do not worry. You can make notes out of this also. So all you have to do is study. Okay, after gathering the notes, study. Without studying, you will not be able to progress. So studies is very important. So learn from YouTube, learn from school, learn from tuition, learn from teacher, learn from various sources. But at the end, okay, you have to learn how to express it, because by expressing only, you will be graded and you will be assessed. So expressing here means writing, okay, sitting for exam. So for that too, you have to study, okay. So study, okay, do not neglect your studies. So with this note, I'll end the class and I'll see you again in the next video.